What's up, it's Chris from Motorcycling Kiwi Style, and it's a cold, wet, miserable winter's day here in Christchurch, New Zealand. So I thought, what the heck, time to play with some more carburetors. Now, I had someone ask me recently, am I sponsored by this spark plug company? Well, no, unfortunately I'm not. I'd be a real champion, wouldn't I? Anyway, let's get into the carburetors. Time to do a test of the actual slides themselves, see how the diaphragms work. Just blowing a little bit of air in there, and yeah, let's see what happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow some compressed air through here, through all four carburetors, through the whole bank, and when I blow through there, the slides should just pop up like that. So what it is, it's a test of the diaphragms up here in the top of the carburetor to see if there's any leaks going on, because if there is, these just won't pop up under the pressure. They are constant vacuum, aren't they? Constant vacuum, constant velocity? Can't remember. Right, let's have a look, see what happens. Throttle position sensor, number 3 carb. What's missing? What have I spotted which is not quite right? No wonder the damn Bandit won't rev properly and it's running rich. No main jet. No main jet. Far out. Who could have missed that? And where the hell is the main jet? I've got to pull one of them out and find out what it is and then go and get the correct one. I've actually had that before though. I bought a Yamaha TY350 trials bike. I got it for a fairly good price, a very rare bike, and I'll post a picture of it. Didn't run that well up top. Not that they were really a high revving engine because they're a trials bike, 357 2-stroke. And I was thinking, damn, this thing's rich. Once again, pulled off the float pole, no main jet. Personally, I reckon bikes have got personalities. I'm going to get roasted by people for that. Motor Guzzies, definitely. Each individual one is slightly different. I found that with my V11 Sport. No two are the same, and that's just build quality of Italian bikes back in the 2000s. I sort of think that the poor Bandit was trying to tell me, I'm missing a main jet. This is why I'm not running. Please have a look at me. I really want to run, but I can't. And I'm thinking, yeah, probably is. I mean, it was running fine-ish, but it was definitely right. Further update on the carburetors, gone through with the help of a friend of mine who's a motorcycle mechanic. We went through, we checked all the rest of the carburetors, stripped and cleaned them, found a couple of issues. A couple of jets were missing O-rings, the other two too many O-rings, like 2 instead of 1. That's pretty crazy. But the big thing was, number 3 carb here had a 60 main jet when it should have had a 100. So these two here were correct. Number 1, number 2 had 100s. Number 3 a 60, which means it was running way leaner than it should have. And number 4, none obviously, which means it was running way richer. So the poor bike was way out of balance. Yeah, but that's cool. Just means that essentially when I get the main jet sorted, the bike should run well. I will do the tappets though. I mean, it'd just be silly not to do them while the bike is mostly apart. So all in all, a good result. Sort of quite pleased with the progress. Hasn't been too painful, which is good. And hopefully the Bandit will be back on the road before I know it. Still got a few things to do with that, but this episode's about the carburetors. So thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it. I enjoyed presenting it. And ride safe. See you out there. Cheers.